know that 1 in every 4 birds in North America have disappeared during the past 50 years? These are billions of birds. And you know why? Because habitat loss, pollution, pesticides. But I would say that mostly because our indifference. If we don't care, this is not going to change. So I want to invite you to help me with my project. My project is called Walking Among Birds, and it started as a series of documentaries where I use birds as a thread from one region to another to show you the different habitats where they live and what we need to fall in love to protect. I know that if we don't see the beauty in nature, we are not gonna be doing anything. We are prisoners in our cities. We don't see more than buildings and concrete and progress, but we are not seeing what we are losing. So in my project, that is just a tiny thing because I'm working just by myself, I've been showing people nature, showing the beauty of the seasons, the beauty of birds, of bugs. I really need your help now because what I'm doing is just a tiny thing, but if we all work together, if we really care, stop polluting, stop using plastic, we can do great things for our planet. This is something that is not just for us, it's for our kids, for our grandchildren, for the generations ahead of us. We need to care. And this is my invitation for you. Come to my website, write to me, help me spread the word, and help me in keeping this project alive. Thank you.